wow. Look on the left, guys. It looks like the smoke of the volcano turns directly into a cloud, right? Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
The volcano hike has begun. Fingers crossed that it's still erupting when we get there. We're still at the beginning, but a very barren landscape here. Getting closer to the lava flow. You can see the steam, but we want to see the orange lava jumping out of the crater. That is the goal. It's heavy though.
Not heavy.
Okay, this is Andy Teach, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and I've been waiting 3 months for this day. When we booked our trip to Iceland, I knew the volcano was erupting. I prayed every day to the Norse gods that when we got here, that it would be erupting, and in back of me is a live erupting volcano. I cannot tell you how happy I am to be here today. So I can't pronounce the name of the volcano, I can't pronounce the name of this area, but I can pronounce volcano. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see a live volcano erupting. You can see the lava flow on the far right, I believe. It's just incredible. We are far away. It was a very strenuous hike to get here, but it was definitely worth it. So, like I said, 3 months waiting for this day, and I'm just gonna bask in the glow of the lava flow. There it is. Got it. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Yeah! There it is. Awesome. Yes, I'm huffing and puffing. It's steep. I'm out of breath, but there it is. Beautiful.
Huele y todo.
Woo. This is crazy. Oh, wait, look at that. Oh. Allie, I'm a happy man.
I thought you were supposed to be crying.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be crying. Look at it. All right, we walked a little further, a little bit of a different view. And there she goes. There she blows. I mean, we have perfect conditions today. People have come here where it's like really foggy, they can't see anything, or it stopped erupting. But it's been going on almost 5 months now. And this is exactly what I was hoping for today. We checked the live feed last night. It was erupting. We were told it was erupting today. We saw it coming in. But you never know, because you're only here for maybe an hour and a half. And you have to have some luck. When this thing first started though, people were much, much closer to that crater and to the lava flow. But I'm not complaining. This is pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Ooh, stunning. Once in a lifetime this is. I'm so happy. Wow. You can see the lava flow all the way to the right as well, I think. It's erupting. It's erupting. It's erupting. Whoa, look at that. Crazy. Lava flow on the right. Live lava eruption on the left. My back is hurting. But, look at that.
Nee, gar nicht.
Wow, look at it, look, it just shot out. Did you see that? It shot to the left. It went over the, look at it, it's like shooting out. Oh my God, it's see it? It's jumping to the left. Maybe it's the wind. Woo! Yeah, my phone. Oh, look at that, Ellie. It's getting bigger. Let me just film this beautiful scene. Oh, look at it, look at it. Oh my God, that's crazy. Wow, look at it. So Allie, imagine this at night. The glow. It's crazy. Look at it, look how spread out it is. Oh my God, look at it. That's crazy. Wow. Look at it. Whoa. Oh my God, look at it. You see that? Mm-hmm. Jesus. That's crazy. Oh, man. Wow. Whoa. Can you see if the ice floe is moving? Can you tell? The lava flow. Whoa, look at it. It's time to say goodbye to the volcano. The long hike down. You can see the lava flow is incredible. But this terrain is rough and it was a very strenuous hike up here. It's a little treacherous here as we go down this hill. Crazy hike. Getting up here was difficult for me. It was steep. I get a sense of what it's like to hike. We need to catch the bus back. Beautiful lava flow. I would like to get a piece of lava for a souvenir. Real easy here. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, maybe more sideways is better. Yep. This has been truly one of Andy's awesome adventures. Whoa! Okay. Did not fall. Alright, so this is where we're gonna get our lava. We're allowed to pick our lava. We have to be careful because it's got splinters and stuff. Or we can get splinters. I'm looking for my souvenir, so let's get it. Alright, so we're at the lava flow. And what you need to do is take a big piece of lava and throw it against the other lava and bring back home a small piece as a souvenir. Beautiful scenery. This tells you how big that volcano was. And it's actually in a small crater, but it spewed out a lot of lava.